To our tutorial on how to create a marquee tool. If I go live, my marquee tool should pop up and it should say, so I'm on my radio personalities page. I said our DJs keep you in the loop, blah blah blah. So things to note first is how do we insert the text, how do we make this work, and then what I'm going to do is I want to make the color scheme more cohesive with my website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn my live off and I'm going to go to split. The first thing you need to do is actually select where on your page your coding is going to go. This is my coding here. I'm going to make this bigger for you, if it lets me. Okay. Inside of my H1 bracket, so see from here to here is my coding. I'm just going to keep this open, highlighted. So H1 is the header 1. That means it's going to be the same size as this title here. If I don't want it to be large, I would remove the header 1. Header 1 is the biggest font option. The font color, it's noted as FFFF, which represents white. The background color is 0099cc. The direction is left. If I wanted to go right, simply just type right. How many times do I want to loop? I said 30. I figured that's enough. But if you only want to go once, you can go once. Width 100% means that it's maximizing the space of the container. If I want it to be half the container, I could change the percentage. Then below that is what I'm going to say. And then I need to close the marquee tool, close the font, and close the header. So if you are going to have a marquee tool, you must insert the text here. So pause the screen, insert that text. Okay. Now I'm going to talk to you about how to change the colors. So if I go to my design view, I'm able to go to my current style sheet and see what the color I'm currently using is. So the background color is this lovely 292976. I'm actually going to copy it. And then I'm going to go back to my split screen, and I'm going to go back to where my header is hanging out. I'm going to change the background color. I want it to be more cohesive, so I'm just going to paste that. There's my new background color. The font color, I want it to be white or red. So again, it's currently white, but let's say if I want it to be red, I could go currently on my hover. I know that I have it hovering to red. So if I click on design, type. I could even find it in here, but I can grab the red color, find out it's F000, and go into here and write pound F00. So find my marquee, and go marquee pound F00. It's that complicated. Save it, go to my design, go to my live, and there it is coming in from the right. I really don't like it coming in from the right, so I'm going to go back to my split and keep it from the left, but depending on what you're writing, it might be more useful. Left. And there you go. I can now go back to my live, pop. But there it is, kind of a cohesive color scheme coming in. Okay, so again, I'm just going to end it on what the coding is so that you can pause it there and read the coding that you might need. Right, that's our tutorial on adding a marquee tool.